welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and I just want to say thank you to all you guys for 10,000 subscribers. Wouldn't have been possible without you guys, so really want to thank you guys and show my appreciation as well. So for today, all we're doing is just walking through one of the busiest capital in Jamaica, Halfway Tree, and just thanking you guys as well. So stay tuned for more, and thanks again for 10,000 subscribers. Alright, so we're in the busy Halfway Tree. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and we're now at 10,000 subscribers. So if you haven't been subscribed, now is the time. So we are coming from a far way in terms of where the channel is coming from, and we're growing. May not be the fastest growth like a comedy channel, a prank channel, but it's something positive that we're promoting. We're promoting Jamaica and the beauty of Jamaica, the development in Jamaica, the growth in Jamaica. That's what we're promoting on the channel. And if you're someone that is big on that, then you would have subscribed already, you'd have commented already, and if you haven't done so, now is the time. And eventually the channel will continue to grow. We're going to reach 15,000, 20,000 now, 8,000. It may be slow, but we're all about the positivity, the positive message, and just the love for Jamaica. So subscribe, ask somebody to subscribe, encourage someone to subscribe so they can see what's going on in Jamaica, whether they're here locally or overseas. So let everyone put 10,000 in the comments, because if you're joining now or you're joining at 1,000, we are going places. Alright guys, so we're standing on the JN in front of Transport Center. Basically we are on Constant Spring Road at the intersection of Southermere Road. Alright guys, so we're on the grounds of the Nelson Mandela Park in Halfway Tree. Never reviewed this park before, never videoed it as well. It's a bit run down. A lot of homeless persons living here, staying here. It's a bit dirty. Need some love, need some care, but it's in the middle of a tree. So it's a decent location. I just think they need some TLC for this park. Not really much to see, to be honest. I think right here can keep events, and sometimes different government institutions keep stuff in the park as well. You know, like the Ministry of Health and other groups. But not much activity happening in this park. A lot of robberies. So even just walking through in broad daylight, I have to ensure that I have my precautions in place. Not a very safe park, but the middle of Harvard Tree. Just taking the time to show you guys around. So this is the taxi stand for like Agley Park, Yui, Mona, Papine. So welcome to the Nelson Mandela Park. So that would be the stage area down there. Yeah, so just similar to all the Emancipation Park, gets a lot of love here in Kingston. I think this one needs some love as well. You know, where persons can rest in half a tree, sit, relax, picnic, you know, just in the middle of the city. But again, guys, thanks for all the support. Alright guys, so thanks again for 10,000 subscribers. Thanks for all the support. You know, and yes, there'll be a lot of improvements coming to the channel. When we just started out, you know, quality was less, confidence was less, content was less. We didn't have a drone, but over time we keep on improving. So there'll be more improvements. And you know, I don't do YouTube full time, so it does take time. I have to schedule time, sacrifice time to be able to, as best as possible, upload one video per day for you guys. So it's a lot of sacrifice. I appreciate the support, and I'm happy that, you know, each time I put up a video, there's so much appreciation as well. And you know, sometimes person think you heard a whole lot from YouTube, but in most cases, you know, people don't. I don't. The earning from YouTube's, you know, probably just cover gas, not even time, because my time is super valuable based on things that I do. You know, so when persons even donate to the channel via PayPal or other option, it's highly appreciated, because you know, it takes time, different resources as well to be able to do these videos for you guys. And for those who support in other way, by liking a video, sharing a video, commenting, that also help the channel, because that allows YouTube to push the video to persons that have never seen the channel before, being that persons are liking the video and persons are commenting. YouTube believes that, you know, other persons should see. So it doesn't matter what you do or what form of support you play, everything is very appreciated, that you guys do. I know some videos I can always count on persons to comment, to like. I know there are some loyal family members on the channel as well, and I really don't want to start calling names because I'm gonna get in problem, but they know themselves. And thanks to all the persons who reach out one-on-one just to, you know, create different partnership, you know, make suggestions or whatever the case may be. So 10,000 subscribers, 20,000, we're on our way. Let's continue to, you know, believe in Jamaica. Let's continue to highlight the good things happening in Jamaica, the growth, the development, and everything positive. So love you guys. Thanks again. Half a tree, Mandela Park, 10,000 subs. Really appreciate it.